Hey Build Space, my name's Min. I'm the founder of xOceania. We're building a drones platform to increase efficiency in aquaculture farms around the world.
You are my special.
I come from Vietnam. The place is one of the biggest fish markets in the entire world. Yet I think that it's honestly crazy how here in America we take for granted the amount of food that we have, while people on the other side of the world often just strive for food that might not even exist because of years of overfishing and exponential population growth. And this is why I really thought about aquaculture as the best way to have a new sustainable food supply. However, traditional aquaculture farmers don't have the exact best clear-cut ways to optimize their operations. So I created xOceania. We're giving out completely open source drones projects that farmers can build locally and cheaply. And these drones autonomously collect data that can be filtered out and be given into actionable steps that farmers can use to optimize their operations. Additionally, this data has the potential to create a global food supply chain market that directly connects farmers' data to the consumer. xOceania is in its initial research phase. We've built 3 drones and we've accumulated over 3,000 reactions over all of our pages.
And our next steps for xOceania are really simple. Just get up our first data collecting platform and set up our first drone and sensor packages. But there's a lot of work to be done, and we need your support to help us realize our vision of aquaculture optimization.